An impulse is an electrical signal that travels along a neuron. In a resting neuron, one that is not conducting an impulse, the outside of the neuron is positively charged. During an impulse, the outside of the neuron becomes negatively charged. This electrical change travels along the neuron, but it only happens in the nodes of Ranvier, the parts of the neuron that are not covered by the myelin sheath. When the impulse reaches a part of the neuron that is covered by a myelin sheath, it jumps to the next node of Ranvier. This makes the signal travel very fast along the length of the neuron. As the impulse moves on, the parts of the neuron behind the impulse return to their resting state. When the impulse reaches the terminal branches at the end of a neuron, it triggers the release of neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are chemical signals that diffuse across the synapse and attach to the receptors on the dendrites of the receiving neuron. Receptors are like locks into which only keys that have a specific matching shape can fit. When neurotransmitters attach to receptors, it causes the receiving neuron to begin a new impulse. There are reuptake carriers in the terminal branches that collect neurotransmitter molecules and return them to the vesicle in the terminal knobs so that the neurotransmitters do not remain in the synapse.